Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings and liking the readings. So I have started bringing in videos back, so I'm sure you would love the videos which I'm bringing. So click on the bell icon so that you will know whenever I bring these videos, and you can be notified when it's coming, because I have made 2-3 more new videos and I'm sure you all are going to love them. So now let's go to the reading. This is a completely new deck which I have used. I have used this before for 1 or 2 readings, but not in depth, and for the cards of the day I have never used. So I have pulled 2 cards and kept. So let's see what the cards are. Okay, now the first card is the Hermit, basically the Rishi, and the next card is the Emperor, which is the Purusha. I actually like the way these cards are made. So let's see what is in store for you today. Now when I look at the Hermit, I'm just bringing in a closer look. I feel as if it's a card which says, just focus on your work and things will go the way you want. Don't get distracted. You are on the right path right now, and you just need to work little more deeper and deeper. So today, whatever is the situation or whatever work you have taken up, just do that work and don't get scattered away or don't get diverted away, so that energies are fully focused on the goal, and the goal which you want to achieve, you ultimately achieve it. Now coming to the next card, which is the Emperor. If you see here, Emperor, it's a little different card from our tarot card, but here the Emperor is basically, I'm feeling, a person who's of authority. So if there's any work which you need to get sorted out, then work with higher authorities, specifically a male member, so that your work is getting done. But overall, I feel if you focus and if things go the way you're planning, then I'm sure there is prosperity, there is success, there is abundance, and there is everything that you desire today, and you'll be happy that the day went the way you wanted. So I'm just bringing in one more color. This is the color which you should wear, though it's put cyan. I would say wear the color blue, because I think it says it will build your confidence. You do need confidence and less of distraction, so you need a calmer mind. Maybe that's the reason this card has come today. So today the color is blue. Today also, in the morning, chant the Om Namah Shivaya mantra 108 times before you start your day. And at the end of the day, when you're coming back, if possible, feed some cow and donate 5 kgs of wheat or 5 kgs of rice to someone in need, intending that they are able to have a good food, and in turn Goddess Annapurna is blessing you with loads of abundance and prosperity and good health in return. So have a beautiful and a fabulous day ahead. Thank you.